Let's stay with old guys for 800, Alex.
Okay.
LeBron James had 48 last night in the second game of a back-to-back where he had 35. Sometime next month, LeBron is going to pass Kareem Abdul-Jabbar for the all-time lead in points. LeBron is 38 years old, and last night he played against Jabari Smith Jr., who told him in the middle of the game, and I'm quoting here, "You played against my dad."
Great.
That was a jaw-dropper for LeBron. Wilbon, the Lakers are struggling, but do you see any evidence that LeBron's career is winding down?
Well, not his career. I mean, Tony, look, the only problem with him and Kareem and the points is that the numbers, as always, they obscure more important things. LeBron James is the best old guy player. Yes, I'm saying old guy. 38 years old. Ever. Nobody north of 35 has ever been as good as LeBron James is now.
That's right. That's right.
It just hasn't. And not even close. And it's not just the points. People go crazy over the points. It doesn't mean LeBron's going to retire as the greatest scorer of all time. He's not. But it obscures how great a player he has been and still is, and apparently can continue to be. And Tony, he doesn't close. Look, I watch these games. I watch LeBron every night. It's like last night. I told Matthew, turn your phone off, put your AirPods down, do all this other. We're going to watch Tom Brady tonight. And I say that with LeBron. We're going to watch LeBron. Stop all this other stuff you're doing. Because LeBron is so great, rebounding the ball, passing the ball, setting up teammates. He can't close the way he once closed. That's the only thing. But, the Kareem chase is going to obscure all of it, and people, including half the people in this network, are going to go nuts over the points, which don't matter as much as LeBron's true greatness.
Yeah, it must be tough to be Matthew and have his dad say, "We got to watch this game tonight." Forget about the history homework. Forget about the math. We're watching LeBron.
Well, the math. You got to do the math. I can't help
Here,
it.
look. Tom Brady said this before. You said it as well. He's the greatest quarterback who ever lived. LeBron James is not the greatest basketball player who ever lived, and he never will be. But he's the greatest basketball player we've seen in the last 20 years. All right? And he may not be the best player on the court right now, but he is the most admirable, and here's why. Because he doesn't take off for load management this year. He goes out there and gives you his best every single night, the way Michael Jordan did. He is conscious of the obligation of an entertainer to go out there and assume that somebody's going to see him who's never seen him before and is never going to see him again, and he gives him his best. And to your point about being at 38 years old, he was only 38 last month, but since he's 38, he's averaging 37 points a game.
It's crazy.
Kareem in his 38th year averaged 23.4. LeBron in his 38th year is averaging 29.7. I don't know if it takes a toll that his team isn't good enough to win. And I don't think he's thinking about retirement. There's this quote, Mike.
He's too
There's
good.
a quote he gave to The Athletic. Me and Brady, we're the same people. We're out there for championships. He's staying out there, and he should. He's that good right now. Let's take a break.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.